Today I'll teach you how to download Excel file from URL in Windows Forms application. So let's start. As you can see on your screen, this is a Windows form. Let's move to the code behind. So here I am adding a namespace system.net. It is required for the web client class. Now inside the form load event handler, here I am setting a property expect 100 continue to true. This particular property belongs to the service point manager class. When this particular property is set to true, data will only be sent when the initial headers such as authorization headers etc. are okay. So this actually saves bandwidth, because what happens, sometimes there is rejection from the server, and in that case again we have to send the complete header as well as the data back to the server. The second property is security protocol, and it also belongs to the service point manager class. This particular property specifies the security protocol we are using. So as per your server requirement, you can set the security protocol. Now further you will notice I have created an object of web client class, and I am making use of the download file method of the web client class. First parameter is the URL of the API. Next parameter is the path where the file will be saved. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. As you can see, the file is being downloaded from URL. So today we learned how to download Excel file from URL in Windows Forms application. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.